Criteria of good land for coconuts. Soil characteristics. Note: if there is too much soil moisture, the roots will suffer from waterlogging, which can be growth limiting and yield reducing. Altitude or topography. Climate conditions. Establishing a buffer zone and area of isolation. A buffer zone or a barrier area is highly recommended for coconut farms. Avoid cross-pollination and preserve the purity of coconut variety. For organic coconut farms, to protect coconut from contaminants like chemical pesticides and fertilizers. To intercept different insect pests and diseases that may be present on properties near or adjacent to your farm. For commercial seed nut production, it is required to set up a buffer zone to ensure genetic purity of at least 90%. Area of isolation can be made at a distance of 30 to 50 meters from the nearest tree in your seed farm area. Buffer zones can be in the form of a natural forest. Dense foliage around your area can be established by planting crops and plants like banana, passion fruit, bamboo, and Gemelina.